All right, question 17. In a plane, the distinct lines AB and CD intersect at point A. All right, so I've got C, got D, and then, of course, it's a line, and then line AB. We'll put B right here, and they intersect at point A. And A is in between C and D. Yes, that's how we've shown that. The measure of angle BAC is 47 degrees. So BAC is 47 degrees. What is the measure of angle BAD? So we're trying to find this angle. Well, these two angles just make up a straight line. They make up a straight angle or a linear pair. So that means they add up to 180. So 180 minus 47, 133. I would always encourage you on a question like this, put these fractions in the calculator. 1/2, we know that's 0.5. 5 divided by 6 is 0.83. And 5 divided by 8 is 0.625. So that means 5/6 is the biggest, then 5/8, then 1/2. So that's F. 5/6 is greater than 5/8, which is greater than 1/2. In scientific notation, 670 million plus 700 million equals what? So I'm going to enter this into the calculator. 670 million plus 700 million. And we're going to gain a number over 1 billion. So remember, standard deviation, the decimal has to be in between the 1 and the 3 here. And basically, we're just counting how many times are we moving that decimal place over to get to the end of the number. Be careful here, but we're counting 9 total times. So 1.37 times 10 to the 9th. You could double check it by actually typing this in the calculator. It would have matched that large number we just got. Number 20 for trapezoid ABCD. Below, AB and DC are parallel. What is the degree measure of angle A in terms of x? So since these lines are parallel, the interior angles, angle A and angle D, those are supplementary. They're going to add up to 180. So of course, to find angle A, we would just take 180 and subtract x, much like we did back on number 17. And then finally, 21. To get a driver's license, an applicant must pass a written test and then a driving test. Past records show that 80% pass the written and 60% of those who passed the written pass the driving test. Based on these figures, how many applicants in a random group of 1,000 applicants would you expect to get a driver's license? So we start with 1,000, and we're going to multiply that by 0.8. We're going to take 80% of 1,000, which of course would be 800. So 800 is our new number we're going with to go into that written test. So of those 800, 60% are passing the written test. So 800 times 60% times 0.60. I'd encourage you to use the calculator. I think that should be 480.